3. Solid sodium carbonate. To study the properties of acids and bases, dilute HCl and dilute NaOH by the reaction with 1. Litmus solution, blue and red. 2. Zinc metal. 3. Solid sodium carbonate. Apparatus required: rack of test tube and a boiling tube, test tube holder, Bunsen burner, matchbox, dropper, 100 cc beaker, cork fitted with the delivery tube bent twice at right angles. Chemicals required: 1 molar solution of hydrochloric acid, 1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide, blue litmus solution, red litmus solution, small pieces of granulated zinc metal, solid sodium carbonate, clear lime water. Procedure: A. Test for dilute HCl. 1. Litmus test. Take 2 test tubes rinsed with distilled water only. Pour about 1 cc of dilute HCl in each of the test tubes. Pour a drop of blue litmus solution in one of the test tube. Pour a drop of red litmus solution in the second test tube. You observe that 1. The color of blue litmus solution changes to red. 2. The color of red litmus solution remains unaffected. Inference: 1. HCl is acidic in nature. HCl plus H2O forms H3O aqueous plus chlorine. 2. HCl does not affect red litmus solution. 2. Reaction with zinc metal. Pour about 5 cc of dilute HCl in a clean test tube. Do not use too much of dilute HCl. Introduce 2 small pieces of the granulated zinc in the test tube. Close the mouth of the test tube tightly with the thumb of your hand. When you feel the pressure of the gas on your thumb, remove the thumb and bring the mouth of the test tube near a burning matchstick. You observe that 1. Zinc metal initially reacts slowly. However, in a few moments a brisk reaction proceeds with the evolution of a colorless gas. 2. The sharp pop sound is produced. The gas catches fire and burns with pale blue flame. However, the flame of burning matchstick goes off. Inference: 1. Zinc metal reacts with dilute HCl to liberate hydrogen gas. Zn solid plus 2HCl aqueous forms ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. 2. Hydrogen gas forms an explosive mixture with air and burns with a pop sound. 2H2 gas plus O2 gas forms 2H2O liquid plus heat. 3. Reaction with solid sodium carbonate. Pour about 4 cc of dilute HCl in a clean test tube. In the mouth of the test tube, fix a cork with delivery tube such that the other end of the delivery tube dips in 2 cc of lime water contained in another test tube. Remove the cork. Introduce about 1 gram of solid sodium carbonate in a tissue paper to the test tube containing dilute HCl. Do not use more than 1 gram of sodium carbonate. Insert the cork with delivery tube at once in the mouth of test tube. Bring a burning matchstick in the gas. You observe that 1. As soon as solid sodium carbonate comes in contact with the dilute hydrochloric acid, a brisk reaction takes place and a lot of colorless gas is evolved. 2. The gas on bubbling through the lime water turns it milky. 3. The gas extinguishes the flame of a burning matchstick. The gas itself does not catch fire. Inference. 1. The gas evolved is carbon dioxide gas. The reaction between solid sodium carbonate and dilute HCl proceeds as under. Na2CO3 solid plus 2HCl aqueous forms 2NaCl aqueous plus CO2 gas plus H2O liquid. 2. Carbon dioxide gas reacts with lime water to form insoluble calcium carbonate suspension and hence makes it appear milky. CaOH2 aqueous plus CO2 gas forms CaCO3 solid plus H2O liquid. 3. The gas is neither combustible nor does it support combustion. B. Test for dilute NaOH. 1. Litmus test. Pour about 1 cc of sodium hydroxide solution in 2 separate test tubes. Pour 1 drop of blue litmus solution in one test tube and 1 drop of red litmus solution in the other test tube. We observe that 1. There is no change in color of the blue litmus solution. 2. The red litmus solution changes to blue color. Inference. 1. Sodium hydroxide does not affect blue litmus solution. 2. Sodium hydroxide turns red litmus solution blue. 3. Sodium hydroxide is basic in character. NaOH aqueous forms Na iron plus OH iron. 2. Reaction with zinc metal. Place 2 small pieces of granulated zinc in a clean test tube only. Do not use more pieces of zinc. Pour about 5 cc of NaOH solution in the test tube. Hold the test tube in a test tube holder and heat it on a low flame for 2 minutes. Taking care, the reaction mixture does not boil. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. You observe that 1. On warming the reaction mixture, the zinc metal starts dissolving and tiny bubbles of a colorless gas are given off. 2. The gas bursts into flame with a pop sound and the flame of burning matchstick goes off. Inference. 1. The zinc metal reacts with sodium hydroxide solution on warming with liberation of hydrogen gas. Zn solid plus 2NaOH aqueous forms Na2 ZnO2 aqueous plus H2 gas. 2. Hydrogen gas forms explosive mixture with air and hence burns with a pop sound. 2H2 gas plus O2 gas forms 2HO liquid plus heat. 3. Reaction with solid sodium carbonate. Introduce about 1 gram of solid sodium carbonate in a test tube only. Do not use more sodium carbonate. Pour 4 cc of dilute NaOH solution in the test tube and warm the reaction mixture. We observe that no visible reaction takes place except sodium carbonate dissolves in sodium hydroxide solution. Inference: sodium hydroxide solution does not react chemically with solid